IELTS Reading, 10 Tips for Upgrading Your band score. Develop skills for each question type. There are 14 IELTS reading question types. Each evaluates different reading abilities. Based on the question type, you need to develop a set of skills strategies. To develop skills for each question type and answer them correctly, you must understand each question type and recognize keywords, synonyms, and paraphrasing. Skimming. Skimming requires rapid eye movements and keywords to move faster through the text. It helps you to understand the main idea, topic, or layout. You can skim the passage in 2 to 3 minutes to get a general overview. To skim a passage, start reading the first paragraph, focus on the first few sentences to get the main idea, and read the last paragraph for a summary. Scanning. Scanning is reading rapidly to identify specific piece of information like facts, technical terms. If you get a reading essay, use scanning to find key information like dates, names, numbers, and new terms. To scan a passage, allow your eyes or finger to move quickly. When you see an important word or phrase like figures, statistics, etc., note them down. The answer is paraphrased. The answer is always paraphrased in the reading test. It means that for any correct answer from the options, there is always a paraphrased fragment that gives the same meaning. It assesses your ability to understand the same, or similar, ideas from different wordings and expressions. Improve your reading speed. The reading section is time sensitive, with only 60 minutes to give your best. So you improve your speed reading skills and locate answers. To develop the habit of reading quickly, set a timer and increase your reading gaze to include 3 words at a time. Practice focusing on the ideas, not the words. When reading a paragraph, reread and rephrase it in your own words. It helps you to focus on the ideas and messages instead of words. This mini-analysis approach is useful for the reading test, general training, that features 3 sections. Try different exam strategies and choose the best. Start with a cursory reading to grasp the general idea of what it's about. Once familiar, you can read it carefully to find the answers. Otherwise, you may read the text only to focus on the information and then go to the question and its options. Improve your reading vocabulary. Improving your IELTS reading vocabulary, lexical resources, brings you one step closer to your targeted score. It's not about learning the meaning of a word, but when you can it and can't use it. Moreover, you must know what collocations can be used with words, like verbs, match nouns, and other common paraphrases. Identify keywords, then underline and number. To identify keywords, read the introduction, main paragraph, and conclusion carefully. That is your proof. For the exact location of the keywords, learn to spot keywords and check if they can be paraphrased. Then compare them with the available options. Don't panic. Use context to understand unknown words. Try to look around at the new word and phrases. It helps you to understand the unknown words in a sentence and deduce whether it's positive or negative, a person, a job, an animal, a thing or a feature. Unknown words include prefixes, suffixes, idioms, phrases, linking words, etc.